Hello, lovely people. This is Mario, and you're watching Just Like Paradise. So, one of my vehicles I recently sold, and I've got another one that I'm not selling, and I wanted to show it to you real quick. It seems to be pretty popular on the channel. Anyways, here it is, the front of it. If some of you might be able to tell what it is by now, it's a mildly modified 92 Mustang LX. We have the bar that goes to the firewall in here to give it a little bit of stability. We got the strut tower adjustments for better caster and camber. We have an aftermarket Optima battery, gel battery. We have an MSD distributor cap. Is this? This may be. I'm not sure if this is stock or not, to be honest with you. It's too dark here right now. Canon filter. Some beautiful headers. I don't know if you can see them down there, but they're stainless steel shorties. It works pretty good. We'll show you the rest of the car here in a second. It's clean. I'm not going to undo that side of the car, but it's straight. There's original paint. Wild strawberry is the color. I don't know if it's coming out. I don't even know how this is looking. I do have aftermarket rims. They're the same size. I can't remember what size they are. I don't feel like getting down on my knees to look, but I also have bigger ones for the back. These Mustangs do better with the same front and rear, but that's the car. I don't know if the interior is going to come out. Pretty dark. The wires on the floor is just from a camera that I took out of another vehicle. It's clean as hell. It still smells brand new. And I did a little bit of billet stuff. I did a billet e-brake. I did just a little bit of BS. I got me a Hurst linkage, but I got a new shifter, short shifter that will go into this eventually. So that's sitting right there in the box. Back seat never been dealt with. Car's never been in an accident. Has all its VIN tags. The only modification that I've done to the car is I did a Maximum Motorsport rear end setup. So it's got the torsion bar. It's got a different rear end. It's a 3-link instead of the 4. It's pretty cool. It's still sitting a little high. I want to do a coilovers in the front eventually, and it scoots, man. It scoots. Anyways, that's my baby. Hopefully, it comes out in the video, and she will be. We'll be doing more videos on it when I get back from Thailand. The only thing that's really wrong with it right now, it just needs an oil change, which I'm going to do before I leave. Well, maybe not. Anyways, you can see the oil sitting right there. It has purple in it right now, which is a synthetic, and it shouldn't have any problems, degrading. It's been in there for about 2 years, and it probably only had 1,000 miles on it when I did it, maybe. I don't put too many miles on this car. And what else? The exhaust. So to get it smogged, I had an X pipe on it, and I changed back to cats for California, but because of the 3-link in the back from Maximum Motorsports, it's kind of an issue. I had to do some modifications, so we have to get it up a little bit higher to get it back on. But that's it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. I'll be going to Thailand in 2 days. I just took my PCR test, and easy peasy. Actually, I thought they were going to stick a stick to my brain, and it didn't turn out to be that. So I'll do a little bit of a recap on that and the cost to get to Thailand when you're not vaccinated fairly soon. So keep an eye on this channel.